Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change brake fluid in a BMW 1 Series. First, ensure you have all necessary tools and fresh DOT4 brake fluid. Safely lift your vehicle and remove all four wheels to access the brake calipers. Then, locate the brake fluid reservoir, typically found under the hood on the driver's side. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Now, carefully remove as much old fluid as possible from the reservoir using a clean syringe or turkey baster. Once the reservoir is nearly empty, fill it to the max line with fresh DOT4 brake fluid. It's very important to keep the reservoir topped up throughout the entire bleeding process to prevent air from entering the system. Begin bleeding at the wheel furthest from the master cylinder, usually the rear passenger side. Attach a clear hose to the bleed nipple and submerge the other end in a container with some new fluid. Have an assistant slowly pump the brake pedal several times, then hold it down while you open the nipple. Close the nipple before they release the pedal. Repeat until clear, bubble-free fluid flows. Continue the bleeding process for the remaining three wheels, moving closer to the master cylinder. Once all wheels are bled, ensure the brake fluid reservoir is filled to the correct level. Double-check all bleed nipples are tightened. Finally, test your brakes in a safe, open area at low speed to confirm proper function before resuming normal driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.